Using Confluence in conjunction with Jira enhances project management by integrating documentation and task tracking. Here's a quick guide on how to use Confluence with Jira. Set up integration. First, ensure that Jira and Confluence are linked. This can be done by an administrator who connects the two applications using application links. This setup allows both platforms to share information seamlessly. Linking Jira issues to Confluence. In Confluence, you can create a new page or edit an existing one. Use the Jira Issues macro to insert the list of Jira issues directly into the page. Click the plus icon in the toolbar, select Jira, and search for the issues you want to link. This helps you display tasks, bugs, or stories relevant to the content. Creating Jira issues from Confluence. You can create Jira issues directly from a Confluence page. Highlight a piece of text, click the Create Jira Issue button that appears, and fill in the details. This feature is useful for quickly turning ideas or requirements into trackable tasks. Using Jira reports in Confluence. Utilize pre-configured reports such as Jira roadmaps, burnout charts, or sprint reports in Confluence to give stakeholders a visual overview of project progress. This is done by using the Jira macro to pull live data from Jira into Confluence. Accessing Confluence from Jira. In Jira, link back to Confluence pages for detailed documentation or requirements. You can do this by adding Confluence links to Jira issues, which makes it easy for team members to access relevant documentation.